Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I'm just filming an intro for the video that you're about to watch, which is me showing you guys how to create a DIY lighted vanity. So I actually did this project for myself about 5 years ago, and my vanity is still holding strong and everything is still amazing. And my little sister decided that she finally wanted to get her big girl vanity on and really get some lights and really kind of glam up her makeup space. So I decided, why not film it and show you guys something cool you can do. This is super inexpensive. This is about a $60 project. If you can find stuff on sale, you can even make it super cheap. So this is something doable for everybody. So I wanted to show you guys how I created this lighted vanity, so you guys can also recreate it for yourselves. But before we get started in the video, there's two things I want to talk about really quickly. One, I'm thinking about going on a schedule for my videos. I'm thinking about uploading every Wednesday and Saturday, so you will get 2 videos a week. Right now, I'm pretty random. I kind of just upload whenever I want. Some weeks you get 4 videos, some weeks you get 1. It really just depends on how I feel. So I really want your input. Do you guys like my sporadic whenever I post kind of post? Or do you guys want more of a schedule? So you know, Wednesdays, let me check in with Get With The Glow because I know a video is coming. Saturdays, let me check in. And also, if you guys want a schedule, around what time do you guys, normally like to see your YouTube video? I want to kind of create something that's easy for you guys, that you guys want to watch, and easy for me as well. So if you guys want me to start doing a schedule, please comment in the comment box down below so I know, and then kind of just give your feedback on like times and stuff like that. Also, number 2, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I love it when you guys subscribe to me. My family is getting bigger and bigger, and you know you want to join the fam because we have so much fun over here, and we're a barrel of laughs. Like, why would you not want to be a part of the fam bam, right? So don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video, okay? So with that, we're going to get started on the DIY lighted vanity now. Alright, that's just me being a little weirdo. And this is where we're going to put her lighted vanity mirror. So I just took 91% alcohol, and I'm going to just clean the surface of the wall just to make sure there's no like dust or anything like that. Please don't skip this step being lazy, because I have used command strips before and not cleaned my surface, and they don't stick as well and sometimes can become unstuck. So please do not be lazy and skip that step. So then we just got this frameless rectangle mirror from Lowe's. I like using frameless mirrors because I think it matches with any decor that you use. These are the command strips that we'll be using today. And we're going to actually apply 6 to the back, 3 on top and 3 on the bottom. So each command strip supposedly can hold 6 pounds. So I put 6 of them on there, so that's plenty enough strength to hold up this mirror. So now I'm just going to remove the sticky protective sheets on each command strip. So that's what you see me doing here. And then I am going to place it where I want it to on the wall. And once I get it to where I want it to be, I'm now going to just press down the command strips. The directions say you do have to press and put pressure on it for about 30 seconds. So that is what you see me doing right now. So I love using command strips for things because we are renting. So, you don't want to make too many holes in your walls. So this is a great way to attach the mirror to the wall without like creating holes and all that good jazz. So that is just what you see me doing here, putting pressure on the mirror. And then I just randomly decided to get my handprints and fingerprints off the mirror. So that's just what you see me doing here. So now we're going to move on to the fun part, which is the lights. So what you're going to need is 2 light bars, and I also got this from Lowe's. I actually got everything from Lowe's. And then you need 2 extension cords, just the basic ones. You don't need anything fancy. And then electrical tape. So that is the stuff you're going to need to create the, you know, the light part of the vanity. So this is what you see me doing here, which is just unpacking on one of the light bars. They come in just like plastic wrapping, which is what you see right here. And we decided to get the chrome one so they can match the mirror. So it comes with the bar, instructions, and then that orange bag. Please do not lose that. You need some of the stuff in that bag. That's very important. So now I'm just taking off the silver like knob thingies that actually keep the light bar together. And I'm opening the light bar, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the white, black, and copper cord. You're going to pull it through that main hole. And the copper cord is actually keeping everything tied together. So you're just going to untie it. And then once you untie it, you're going to be left with a white cord, a black cord, and then that copper cord. So that's what you want to have, those three things. So then we're going to move on to the extension cord. And we're going to cut the part of the extension cord that does not go into the wall. So we're just going to toss that like I did. Don't actually toss it. So now we're going to actually cut down the middle. You're going to see like a groove or indentation. You're just going to cut directly down the middle without trying to cut the actual wire. You just want to do that so you can split in half, so you can have two halves. So you're going to take your scissor or wire cutter, whichever one you might have, and you're going to cut the plastic off, but just the plastic, not the copper wire on the inside. So if you see, I was just able to pull the plastic off, exposing the copper wire. So you're going to see me do it again. I'm just cutting the plastic part. So please be gentle. You don't want to actually cut the copper wire. So you want to be left with two exposed copper ends. So you see me feeling the side of the wire. One of the halves have ridges and the other half is smooth. So you want to take the white cord from your light bar and the ridged side of the extension cord, and you want to twist those together. It's very easy to tell the difference between the smooth and the rigid side of an extension cord. So you're going to take the black cord from your light bar and take the smooth end of the extension cord, and you're going to twist those together. So keep that in mind. White goes with the rigid side and black goes with the smooth side. So then you're going to grab that orange bag that I told you not to lose, and you're going to pull out these orange tops. These tops are super important because you're actually going to screw them to the ends of like the two connectors, and you need to do this so like you don't like cause a fire. Like, please don't forget this step and then burn down your house. Okay, please do this so it protects it from like sparks or anything like that. And I'm a little extra, so I actually like to go in with electrical tape afterwards, and then I tape around the orange plug just for a little extra added security to make sure like nothing like sparks or catches fire. I did this with my personal vanity, and I have had those light bars for 5 years and never had an issue. So you don't have to technically do this step, but I would recommend just getting some electrical tape and putting it over the ends, which is what you see me doing right here. Then I'm going to take that random copper wire, and I'm just going to use that to kind of twist up the cords so they're kind of together and not like all over the place. And then I'm going to put the top back on, and then those little silver knobs, and that's literally how you wire the light bar. So now that we did that, I already put one of the light bars on the wall. So we're going to do the other one. We're going to take those command strips that we were using before, and we're going to put them on the back of the light bar. So these are Velcro. So there's one half that sticks to the bar and one half that sticks to the wall. So I put 3, and that's how I did it, as you see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just place it where I want it to go. Like, so put it in like the space that I want it to be at. And then I'm going to remove those silver knobs and remove the top. And then I'm going to just put actual pressure on the back of the light bar. Remember, you have to put pressure on these command strips for 30 seconds each. So that's what you see me doing here, is just pushing, putting pressure on those strips. So once you've done that, just put the top back on and re-add those silver knobs. So now we're going to add the light bulbs. I did get these light bulbs from Walmart. I actually really don't like them. I don't think they're really white enough, but my little sister likes them. So you know what? YOLO, that's all that matters. So I'm going to actually now just screw in the bulbs. And then if you actually did the wiring correctly, aka the white cord goes with the rigid extension part and the black goes with the smooth, once you're done putting the light bulbs in, you should just be able to plug it up and your lights will work. And with that, this is the final product. I'm so proud of it. I think it came out really great. It's super inexpensive. I think everything cost us about 60 bucks, which is awesome, and my sister loves it. Speaking of Dana, everyone say hi to Dana in the comment section. She's just enjoying her vanity for the first time. And with that, this project is done. So with that, that's the end of this video. I hope that you found what I taught you super educational, and I hope that you actually try to create your own lighted vanity mirror. Like I said earlier, everything cost us about $60, and if you're someone super frugal and you're really into like shopping for deals, you can definitely make it even less than that. So don't forget to shoot me a comment down in the comment box below about several things. One, do you guys want an upload schedule from me? Do you guys want some more consistency, or do you guys kind of like my sporadic, I upload whenever I want? I really want your feedback because I really want to, you know, think about if I want to get on a schedule or not, or are you guys okay with kind of like my just upload whenever Gloria wants to upload type of thing. So I really want to hear your input. Also, let me know if you're going to be recreating this lighted vanity mirror. I would love to know, and please tag me in your photos on Instagram so I can see your DIYs. And then also, do you guys like these type of videos? I know this is something new on my channel. I haven't actually done a DIY before, but I actually do them all the time. So if you guys kind of like videos like this, I can definitely start creating them. I'm actually in the process of redoing my vanity setup, and I'm doing a ton of DIYs for it. So if you guys want me to like record, you know, my DIYs for like, you know, my vanity and like stuff like that, and storage ideas, please let me know. I don't have an issue filming them if that's something that you guys are interested in. And what else do I want to say? Oh, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I love you guys, and I love it when you guys subscribe to me, and it makes me super happy inside every time I get another, you know, notification that someone has joined the family. And don't forget to like this video because you like me. And I think with that, that's all I have to say to you guys. So until next time, bye friends.